Video reveals personality.
Like a boss!
The more creative and personality your video has, the better your chances will be to attract customers. Have fun with your videos, like the Suburban Auto Group people did with their Trunk Monkey videos.
The Trunk Monkey Theft Retrieval System.
Content like this will get noticed and shared, thus bringing potential customers to your product. But your work doesn't have to be this extravagant. Simple videos that show that pretty face of yours should add enough personality to your business name. Increase brand awareness with video. Finding out who you are and what you do is important. With video, you can grab the attention of viewers and stand out from the other competitors that are lacking video content and the human element. Videos effectively showcase what your core values are. It could be entertainment or educational. The end game is to make an impression. Share your information more efficiently. We live in a modern age where we need information now, and video is that remedy. With details quickly presented to your viewers, video can grab the attention much better than a page that contains an encyclopedia worth of info.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
But leave that content for people who read. Videos create great ROI. A Google study shows that more than 50% of internet users look for videos related to the product or services, and by 2019, 80% of the internet traffic will be video. Videos are all over the internet, on websites, social media, to ads. There is no avoiding the power of video. Can you get ROI without videos? Of course you can. But why get left behind while your competitors are leveraging video when the proof is out there that people want more videos from their marketers?